Are you trying to choose between Spark Email and Apple Mail? It can be tough to decide. In this video, we'll break down the key differences between these two popular email tools. Both Spark Email and Apple Mail help you manage your emails. They allow you to send, receive, and organize your messages, but they each have unique features that might suit different needs. Let's start with Spark Email. This tool is known for its smart features. It offers a clean interface and focuses on collaboration. You can easily share emails with your team. Spark also has a powerful search function, making it easy to find old messages. Plus, it supports multiple accounts, so you can manage everything in one place. Now, let's look at Apple Mail. This app comes pre-installed on all Apple devices. It has a simple design and integrates well with other Apple services. You can easily access your emails, calendars, and contacts. Apple Mail is also known for its privacy features, keeping your information secure. So, what are the main differences? Spark Email is great for teams and collaboration, while Apple Mail is ideal for Apple users who want a straightforward experience. If you need advanced features and teamwork options, Spark is the way to go. But if you prefer simplicity and integration with Apple devices, stick with Apple Mail. When it comes to pricing, Spark Email is free with optional premium features. Apple Mail is free for Apple device users with no hidden costs. In the end, your choice depends on your needs. If you work with a team, go for Spark. If you want something simple and clean, Apple Mail is perfect for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.